Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use auto clicker in Hamster Kombat. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. First, let's go back and open your Play Store. And now here in the search bar, search for auto clicker. Now you will find many auto clicker application. Select anyone that you like the most. Like I am selecting this one, and I am already installed it. Let's open it. And now in settings, scroll down and you will find the option anti-detection. Now here, set random interval to 30 and random duration to 40 and increase random position to 30, and that's it. Now tap on Start Service. And now go back to Hamster Kombat. Now here tap on plus icon. You will set auto clicker as many as you want by just tapping on plus icon. You can set these anywhere on the screen. I am just adding 4 auto clicker here. Once you're done, then click on the play button. And that's it. Now it works. You will successfully use auto clicker on Hamster Kombat.